The second type of conversion of digital to analog converter is R to R register. The name is R to R because at the input side there is a combinations of R to R registers are connected here. So in this circuit also the input is connected to the inverting terminal and the non-inverting terminal is grounded. Here also there will be 4 inputs, B3, B2, B1, B0. So we have 2:4 means 16 possible inputs. So let us consider only B3 is connected here. So that is connected to the plus 5 volt. Remaining all 3 are connected to the 0. So considered here only B3 is connected, remaining all will be grounded. So this resistance will be equivalent as taken as a Thevenin's resistance because these two are parallel. R to R is parallel, so taken 2R parallel. This answer is in series with this resistance, so plus R. Again these two becomes parallel, so this parallel. So like this I got the answer is 2R. Here we are taken R is equal to 10K, so 2R becomes 20K. So here taken RTH is equal to 20K. Again now the same. Plus 5 volt is there here and current across here. So this I is equal to how much we can write? I is equal to again by Ohm's law. I is equal to V by R. Voltage will be 5 and R we have the 20K. So 5 divided by 20K will get the 0.25 milliampere. So this answer is getting 0.25 milliampere. So this current will be multiplied with this 20K. So we are getting 20K into 0.25. We'll get the answer is 5 volt. Again by using this formula we can calculate the digital to analog conversion output. So if a B3 is a high, we are taken as an 5 volt. So V0 is equal to minus 20K. B3 is taken 5 divided by 20K, remaining all will be 0. By calculating we get the V0 is equal to minus 5 volt. So if a B3, B2, B1, B0, so we have the combinations like I told 0 to 15. If any one of the bit is connected, so let's take as an 5. So 5. So instead of writing 0001, write it 005. Wherever the 1 is present, that will be replaced by 5 and substitute in this formula, will get the answers, will get the plot, the graph like this, input versus output. So this is the second type of conversion using R to R resistors.